Hello guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to punch and kick in UFC 3 EA Sports. So this is my character right here, as you can see, that the one that's moving. So first we're going to start off with a jab. So when we're throwing a jab, if you're in an orthodox stance, you're going to click square, like this. But if you're in southpaw, you're going to click triangle, right? So now you just do this, and then you switch stance, and you just don't jab, right? So, like I said, if you're in an orthodox stance, this is the stance I'm in right now, you're clicking square. But this is the other stance I'm in, you're clicking triangle to throw jabs. Yep. And so the next step is we're going to throw a cross. So if you're in an orthodox, you're throwing triangle. So like a straight punch basically. But if you're in a southpaw stance, you're throwing square. But if you're an orthodox, you're throwing triangle, right? So you just do it like this, right? And then like this. Now the next step we're gonna be doing is hooks. So hooks, right? If you're gonna okay, so if you're an orthodox stance, you're gonna throw a lead hook like this. You're gonna hold L1 and click square like this to throw this hook, right? But if you're on the southpaw, you're gonna hold L1 and triangle to throw a lead hook, right? Um, and now you could throw hooks like a normal hook and so like this. So if you're in this stance right now, you're gonna hold L1 and triangle to do this hook. But if you're in this stance, which is the southpaw, right? You're gonna throw a hook, you're gonna hold L1 and then the square, right? And now, um, if you want to throw harder punches, what you can do is that you're gonna throw an over. So if you're in um if you're in the orthodox stance, you're gonna throw like a haymaker like this. Hold R1 or hold L1 and R1 any. You're gonna throw it like this, right? That's a haymaker. If you're on the other side, you're doing a left haymaker like this, right? Um, yes, I know I missed though, but you know, I don't want to knock it. I don't want to knock down my opponent. So, right, you can do it in the other hands too, but it's gonna be overhand like this, right? And and like this, right? So if you want to do a 1-2, if you're in an orthodox stance, you're just gonna hit square and triangle, but don't hit it at the same time. You hit it one by one like this. So like this. But if you're in southpaw, you're doing it the opposite. So you're clicking triangle square, right? So now uppercuts. So uppercuts. If you're gonna do a left uppercut, you're gonna you're gonna click square and X at the same time to do a left uppercut. So like this. But if you're gonna do a right uppercut, you're gonna do it like this. So this is the orthodox stance. But southpaw, pretty much the same thing though, but it's like a lead uppercut basically, like this. Hold on, like this. Oh, hold on. Sorry, I accidentally did that. See, the lead uppercut like this, or this is the lead. This is the lead uppercut I just did. I'm not sure exactly. You know. So yeah. Now kicks. So any stance, you're basically still kicking the same leg. You're still using the same leg to kick, right? But different stances. So if you want to do if you want to do a left kick, you're gonna hold L2 and then do that. Sorry guys, hold L2 and then click X. But if you're gonna do right kick, you hold L2, same thing, but you're clicking circle. and these are the kicks to the body. Now, here's this. You want to do a head kick. So basically, you're gonna hold L1 and then circle. This is for the right head kick, but for the left, it's like this. You just hold L1 and X, which is which is for the left, right? And now, there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys like and subscribe. I hope this will help you out. I made some mistakes on the explanation that I was doing on one of the parts, so I hope you guys get that part. Like I said, please like and subscribe. Share this to your friends that love UFC, but don't know how to play the game. So yeah, you know. So comment if this helped, and I'll see you guys later in peace.